guys, this is my homework. Number one, what time do you usually wake up in the morning? Number two, how to stop eating at night? How to stop eating chocolate? How to stop eating junk food? Number three, how to stop playing games? Number four, how to move forward when you are feeling stuck. Number five, I hate you because but so sorry. Number five, I hate you but I can't stop loving you. Number six, so many people want me hate him and join him, but I can't. I want him to be happy because he's not a bad person. Thank you.